How to fix Xbox One stock on orange light. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Is your Xbox One stuck with an orange light on the power supply and a black screen? Here's how to fix it. Method 1. Reset the power supply. Unplug the cables from your Xbox and the power outlet. Wait until the orange light disappears a few minutes. Reconnect everything and try turning on your console. Method 2. Check for dust or dirt. Clean the power supply and cables to prevent overheating or power issues. A dirty power supply may not function properly. Method 3. Inspect the power cables. Ensure the power cable and pins are intact. Replace the cable if it appears damaged. Method 4. Perform a hard reset. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable for another 10 seconds and reconnect the cable and turn the console back on. If the issue persists, the power supply may be faulty. Consider replacing it, especially after power outages. And by following all the steps, Xbox One stock on orange light will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.